Hey all! Welcome to Funology, learning with fun. So, friends, today we are going to paint the pop holder. I bought a plain pop holder just because I wanted to paint with my favorite cartoon characters, the Powerpuff Girls. Yay! Hey, meet Bubbles! She's defined by being the cutest! And Bubbles is the strongest in the group. Still, she's afraid of dark. Oh. Now we will draw Buttercup. And unlike Bubbles and Blossom, she's more stable and intelligent. It is also revealed that she can fly slightly faster than her sisters. And can I tell you a secret? That Buttercup is afraid of spiders and cockroaches like me. Here comes Blossom. She's known for being the smartest one and the leader of Powerpuff Girls. Blossom often tries to play peacemaker between her two sisters if they fight. And during one episode, it's revealed that she dislikes failing tests. Did you notice that despite being Powerpuff Girls and having special powers, they are also having few fears. So it is just normal and okay to have fears. I'm also having few fears, but we should always try to overcome them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for Phonology. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.